Hello everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week so far. I have a lot of meet and greet opportunities coming up and I wanted to let you know about them in case one was near you and you were interested in coming and chatting with me in person. Now I apologize for the late notice, but the first one is actually this upcoming weekend. February 26th and 27th, I'll be in the Chicago area attending 2 Rockler stores. Let's see, on the 26th I'll be at the Bolingbrook store outside of Chicago, and then Orland Park store on the 27th. Hey Orland, I've already seen you, so it'll be nice to revisit some familiar faces hopefully. On both of those days, the meet and greet will be from 9 until 11 a.m. and then I'm actually going to be doing a store demo from 1 until 2 p.m. Ooh, I think I have to put on a coat. Hold on. Okay. I'm a wimp. It's only like 68. The demo is going to be designed in somebody who's interested in learning tools. Whenever I was first starting out, I was motivated to make stuff, but I didn't know how to use a drill, a circular saw, a miter saw, any of that. So this demo will be going over, starting from the very beginning, on how to use the basic set of tools. Okay, on February 9th, I will be near Milwaukee at the Brookfield, Wisconsin Rockler store. Now this event is actually the grand opening of this store, so a brand new store. And even if you're not interested in meeting me, I would still recommend attending because the grand openings always have some really good sales going on. Then later on in February, I'm going to be attending the International Builder Show in Las Vegas on the 19th and the 20th. Now on this one, I'm just going to be walking around the floor. There's not a certain time or place that you can meet me. But I do know a few other creators that are going, so be sure to let me know in the comment section if you are attending, and I'll let you know of any meetups that are planned. Right after that trip, I'm going to be flying straight from Las Vegas to Atlanta to attend Workbench Con. And yes, my February is going to be very hectic, but it'll be worth it. Workbench Con is the dates 21st through the 23rd, and I will link to everything down in the description below. This event is going to be cram-packed full of content creators, so if you would like to check out everybody who's going to be there, then I will leave a link to the website. And let's see. The next opportunity will be April 25th through the 27th. I'll be in Cleveland, Ohio, attending Spring Make. I attended this last year, and this year Lincoln Electric is only expanding it, and this time involving anybody and everybody who wants to come, not just content creators. Lincoln is the main sponsor for this, but it's not just about welding. This is an event to learn welding, learn woodworking, technical skills, business skills if you are interested in being a content creator, plus it's going to be cram-packed full of content creators if you just feel like coming and meeting everybody. There's going to be a lot of classes being offered. I'm personally going to be teaching a class on how to use SketchUp, but again, I'm going to leave a link to the website down below so that you can check out the full roster of everybody who's going to be there and what they're going to be teaching. Oh, also, I have a discount code for you if you're interested in attending Spring Make. You can use the code WILKERDO at checkout and you'll get a discount on the ticket. And other than that, I do have 2 other events that I'm going to be attending. One is Weekend with Wood, and then the other one is going to be Maker Central over in the UK. However, those are kind of so far out. I'll go ahead and do another video as they get closer to give more dates and anything else that comes up in between. Other than that, I have been spending all of my time recently prepping for a giant bandsaw mill project that I'm about to undertake. I have 3 friends, 3 other content creators coming in to help me build it, and we are setting a goal of building it in 5 days. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Of course, I will be documenting and producing videos on the entire process. But on that note, if you're interested in following me in real time to see what it is that I'm building, then be sure to follow me on Instagram because I am very active on the platform and I'm constantly giving behind the scenes as I'm currently building projects. Instead of on YouTube, you guys just see the aftermath of whenever something's finished and a video is edited together. So check out Instagram if you want to follow me in real time. And that's it for this one. Again, I hope y'all are having a great week. I hope y'all are being productive. And I hope to see some of y'all at some of these upcoming meet and greets. It's always a delight to see who's watching my videos and what y'all think about them. I'll see you later, guys.